Hello and welcome back, everyone. This is Mr. Nicole, and you are at the right channel, that is Cool Professor Nicole. So, today we'll be starting the chapter that is Anti Infective Agents. But before going to the chapter, let us first know what are anti-infective agents. So for today's lecture or video, we will be just knowing briefly what is anti-infective agents. Thereafter, we'll be studying one by one the category of the drugs that are coming under anti-infective agents. Anti-infective agents, they are the agents that is capable of acting against infection either by inhibiting its spread of an infectious agent or by killing the infectious agent. So what is it? It is the agent. And what is its role? Its role is to act against the infection. How? By inhibiting or by killing the agent. Now, which all anti-infective agents are there, which we are going to study in this chapter? They are mainly antifungal, that causes fungus. Then urinary tract anti-infective agents, means the infections which are caused in the urinary tract. For that to counterpart, which kind of anti-infective agents are used, that come under this category. Then the third is antitubercular agents, means against the tuberculosis. Then antiviral, against the virus. Then anti-malarial, against the malaria. And the last but not the least, that is the category known as sulfonamides. So this all would be our further upcoming video lectures under each category. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.